Are you tired of ChatGPT crashing on you and you're not able to purchase the ChatGPT Plus? Here is a free alternative that works the same as ChatGPT. So go to Forefront AI. The headline is an alternative to ChatGPT or a better experience of ChatGPT. And then find or click the link or find chat.forefront.ai. And then it works the same as ChatGPT. You have the model here, so you can either select 3.5, which is the default or the free one on ChatGPT, or 4, which is the plus one. So with that, you can select the persona that you want. If you want a software engineer, if you want an interior designer, you want history, Da Vinci, Socrates, or celebrities, you want athletes like David Goggins. So that is up to you. So for me, you select your software engineer or whoever you want, and then from there it works the same as ChatGPT. You just need to write your prompt here, like write a JavaScript function, and it will give you the answer. Sure, that be happy to help you. What kind of function would you like? So it will keep prompting you until you get your preferred answer.